On the road, being prepared matters, especially for daily driving and weekend trips in a BYD Atto 3. Because when a flat tire happens, having the right equipment makes all the difference. That's where the CyberMetals Spare Tyre Kit comes in. Looks like a regular boot. No space taken. Lift the floor panel. The spare tire kit sits below. Each kit includes a vehicle-matched compact spare, a precision scissor jack designed for modern EV platforms, an extendable wrench and dual-size sockets, along with the essential tools needed for roadside tire changes. Everything is engineered as one complete system, so nothing is missing when you need it most. This compact spare is purpose-built, because when it comes to safety, details matter. Meets US safety standards. Certified, not just assumed. Clearly marked, easy to identify. Because standards matter. Lug nuts are usually the hardest part. They're tight, they're stubborn, and they rarely loosen easily. That's why this kit includes an extendable wrench with dual-size sockets, built to give you the leverage and the right fit for modern wheel nuts. So when you need to change a tire, you can do it confidently right there on the roadside. No bulky workshop tools, just what you actually carry in the car. Modern EVs and family cars are heavier than many people realize, so a jack has to do more than simply lift the vehicle. It needs the right load capacity, the correct lift height, and proper factory contact points. This jack is designed for the Atto 3, so it fits under the car, even with a flat tire, and lifts the vehicle safely and predictably. With the vehicle safely lifted, the spare goes on smoothly, guided onto the hub and seated firmly in place. Clearance, alignment, fitment, exactly as it should be. Once the spare is installed, the original wheel has somewhere to go. It fits neatly into the included tire bag, keeping road dirt and dust contained, so your boot stays clean and the interior stays protected. No matter where the flat happens, everything has its place, so you can get back on the road safely.